Hi there, it's Laura Dankoff from PathToHealthAndHealing.com. Today I want to talk to you about 5 ways to boost your health. 5 quick and easy ways that you can boost your health without a lot of effort going into it. First and foremost, it's important to get enough sleep. Too many of us are going to bed too late at night. A good time to get to bed is about 10 p.m. because this is when your adrenals do their repairing, and then not only that, your liver starts doing all of its work. So it's important to get to bed at a consistent time, ideally by 10 p.m. Get all the electronics out of the room because those can disrupt your sleep as well, and start turning things down about an hour before bedtime because this helps increase your melatonin level, which is going to help you sleep. If you have all the lights on and you're looking at the computers and your phones before bed, you're going to have a harder time sleeping. The next step I would recommend is taking more good deep breaths. We all breathe too shallow. By taking good deep breaths, you're going to help oxygenate your lungs and your entire body. You're going to be clearer thinking, and it also will act as a good way to relax you. So try to think of doing 5 slow deep breaths at the top of every hour. It just keeps you calm and relaxed, and it's rejuvenating as well. Step 3 would be to work on eating out less. Yes, we're all busy, and going to a quick pickup restaurant or fast food place may feel like it's helping you cope with day-to-day life, but actually those foods a lot of times are full of a lot of unhealthy things, which in turn can cause you to have more brain fog and fatigue and just not to feel well. And you'll have more energy to cope with day-to-day life if you're eating a healthy diet. The 4th thing would be to go for a walk. Just get outside into some fresh air every day. Walk in not only helps re-energize you, but it helps to get your blood flowing, get your lymphatic system moving, and your lymphatic system is like a pump, and for order for it to work efficiently, you have to be moving. And this lymphatic system is where you're going to dump out all the toxins from your body as well. And the other thing that'll help with that is the 5th thing I want to talk to you about is making sure you're drinking enough water. Too many of us are chronically dehydrated. We're not drinking enough water every day. So a good rule of thumb is to drink 8 8-ounce glasses of water every day. Not only does this help hydrate you, but it also helps your body to detox. So these are 5 steps that you can start with every day, beginning with getting enough sleep is number 1. Number 2 is breathe. Number 3 is eat out a little bit less. Number 4 is go for a walk. And number 5 is make sure you're drinking enough. If you'd like to learn more ways to stay healthy, please visit my website, www.pathtohealthandhealing.com. Have a great day.